Hello friends, how are you? Hope so you are well. So today's video title is that how to install WordPress with Softaculous from cPanel. So let's get started. First you must log in into your Webhospedaje.com account here with your registration email and password, or you can also use access with Google button to enter directly with your Gmail account, which must be the same with which you created your account. Now go to the cPanel. If you do not know that how to access cPanel, you can watch this video. It's linked in the description. So here first you scroll down and you can see software section here. So we have to click Softaculous Apps Installer. After that, we have to click on WordPress Installer button. Choose your installation URL, then select your domain name. Then you have to return your site name and description, and also add your username and password. Now select your theme and click on Install button. So WordPress have been installed successfully. Thanks for watching.